Another video after waking up. So, I was just starting this day really slow and reflecting on one thing that, like, it just came to me very impromptu. So, I also felt like sharing it out there. Most of us, we literally have built so much capacity for life problem, life issue, being in unhappiness, being in poverty, like being in a state where you really don't feel good about it. इसको tolerate करना, it has become so habitual for so many of us out there that struggle, pain, issue, all of this, it has started to feel very normal, even though you don't want it, but it's very normal for your brain, your pattern, the things that always like generates on the autopilot mode. And when it comes about building space in your body to receive all the good things, like people who really love you, client who love to pay you, like all the good things that you can think about. तो उसके लिए ना you really need to build capacity inside, because something is so familiar in the brain and it keeps on running in autopilot, and most of the times you don't even know why you are landing in certain life situation you are in, and even before understanding that you are already there. So it really takes constant awareness. This is something we call manifesting, alignment, right? Expanding the nervous system capacity. And how exactly you do it? You literally do it by, first of all, giving yourself permission that yes, I am allowed to have a good life. I am allowed to have a life that I dream of, that really gives me the joy, pleasure in life. For that, you need that thera, you know, that anchor inside you, something that can hold the experience of all the good thing that is happening in your life. Be more observant about, like all the good thing is happening in your life. So what I was doing, I was like sort of absorbing the sun ray with my niece, playing around. It was a really lovely time, and all of a sudden I realized, damn, this is so gentle, soft moment. So it feels good. Like if you are around kids and you love them, you know how it feels. And it felt like a different kind of bliss, happiness, joy that I couldn't even, like, didn't even expect, imagine. And there are literally n number of other things that is happening in your life. Yes, it might need extra attention from you to recognize that good things are happening, but more you do, easier the pattern gets in your mind. Like kuch और autopilot पे चल रहा है, and now you are training the other part, right? Something that really works in your favor. It's a training you will need to do over the time. If you have any question, feel free to ask, because 8-9 years back, even though I badly wanted a life without, or like without the pain and struggle of bipolar borderline anxiety, you know how it feels. If any one of you have been there, you know how it feels. So standing there at some point in my life and standing where I am right now at this point in my life, I really wish these are the things, these are the tool people, like, अगर ये मुझे पता होता, if someone had taught this to me in such simple ways, it would have been way easier. So follow along, share what you are going through. It will help me to help you as well. Make sure that you follow and subscribe. Sending lots and lots of love.